Hey dolls, my name is Cherise, and on this channel I usually do skincare and makeup review, so you have a general idea on how products work on a normal consumer before purchasing them. So if you are like me who always like to reference a YouTube video before purchasing a product, please don't forget to like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. So on today's video we are going to be talking about LED light therapy mask. So I have been using Project E Beauty's LED light mask for a month. So on today's video, I'll be sharing with you my experience with it, how to use it, and my treatment plan. And I'll also be sharing a clip of my before and after using this LED mask. So first, let's talk what it is. An LED light therapy mask is a device that uses light emitting diodes to deliver specific wavelengths of light to the skin. It is a non-invasive skincare treatment that has gained popularity for its potential benefits in improving the appearance and health of the skin. LED therapy have been loved by a lot of celebrities like Kim Kardashian, Khloe Kardashian, Kris Teigen, Katy Perry. So it's very popular in Hollywood as well. So how does it work? So underneath the white plastic mask, there are 36 medical grade surface mounted LED lights which use low-level light therapy to expose the skin to clinically proven wavelengths of light. It is delivered at safe and extremely therapeutic doses. So by exposing the light to the skin surface, the skin's photoreceptors are activated, letting the skin cells absorb the energy. So the skin will react to the light in different ways depending on the wavelength and the color of the light. So what I love about this LED mask is that it only has one button, so it's not confusing to use. You only have to do a long press to turn this on, another long press to turn it off. And to change the mode, you just have to do a short press. So that turns into the blue light, and if you do a short press again, it would change into a red light. So let's talk about the two modes of this LED mask from Project E Beauty. So the first mode is infrared plus red light therapy. So for this mode, collagen production is stimulated when the red light hits the deeper layers of the skin. And the abundance of this protein helps smooth out wrinkles and fine lines and leaves the skin feeling tighter and firmer. And this duo also helps promote increased blood flow. For the second mode, which is the blue plus red light therapy, this mode eliminates acne-causing bacteria. This is also great for oily skin because exposure to blue light is effective in controlling oil secretion, which helps heal and prevent acne formation. Blue light also has a calming effect on irritated skin. So now let's talk about the step-by-step on how I use this mask. So before using this mask, just make sure that you don't have any skin infections, cut, or burns, as this may cause irritation. So step 1 is to wash your face with a cleanser of your choice. This is best used on bare skin. Step 2 is to turn on the device by doing a long press on the side. So step 3, before putting this on, I will close my eyes first to prevent too much eye exposure. And when I know it's properly fitted on my face, I will open my eyes gently and I'll just relax with this on for 12 minutes. And once the 12 minutes is up, I just turn off the device and I just proceed with my normal skincare routine. When I was using this, I was just using a hyaluronic acid and a moisturizer after. So now let's talk about the treatment plan and how often should you use it. So here's my suggested initial treatment course. So for mode 1, which is red light plus IR light, do this 12 minutes daily for 60 days. And then for mode 2, which is blue light plus red light, do this 12 minutes daily for 30 days. And as maintenance, after the initial treatment, reduce the use of the device to 2 times per week for 12 minutes daily. So this is how my face looks like before doing the LED light therapy mask. And this is how my skin looks like after using this LED light therapy mask for a month. At first, I thought nothing was happening to my skin because it was very gentle, and it's a different treatment than applying skincare. With this, you won't feel a thing when you put this on. It's very non-invasive, but I saw visible results, especially comparing it to my before and after. The most noticeable thing that I saw is how it really brightened my complexion. It really helps in eliminating the redness on my face. I also like how this reduced the size of my active acne every time I use the blue light on. I also saw that it really minimized my pores, and every time I use this at night, in the morning, I can really see that my face is more plump, especially when I'm using the red light, and it's easier for me to apply my makeup every time I use the LED light the night before. So that sums up my experience in using the Project E Beauty's LED light therapy mask. I hope that you learned something from it, and I'll be putting all the details on how you can get your hands onto this device on the description bar below. I highly recommend it. I find that this is very gentle yet very effective, especially if you use this consistently. And if you have any questions that I didn't cover on this video, just comment down below. I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you so much, dolls, for watching. I'll see you on my next one.